Welcome to Microman's house.
What the hell?
Now go explore.
What's up?
Wow. Whoa. Dang, man. Maar is er hier met Nirus? Huh? Wow. Nou, kan wat niet. Is je wel? Is dit zo? Damn, Uncle Murph. Is this bigger than the one when we went to Vancouver? Ooh. I believe in God. Super fair, for sure. Feels pretty spooky in here. I believe in God. I believe in God. We gotta pray that we believe in God. What's up? What's up, Kaka? You tired? She said she's on a bit.
Nice.
Wow, ze waren ze om naar wit. Je payos charge on naar wit. Damn, bro. Oh, you pop massa was. Is this bigger than the one in Vancouver? And the one in... Or is this... Okay, what? Minnesota, guy, wait, Minnesota.
Huh?
Yeah. You shock? Maybe I said. What's that make it? Ah, so. No Wi-Fi. What's it?
No. I can't get the uniform there, so.
How about a cumbia? Acá, pachagoro. Go. Mira, go low. Go low. Ah, so. Masa ngekit? Wow. Find the basement. What's the basement? Let's go to the basement. Shout out basement, okay. Check out on the base. What's the... Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Wow! That's it? That's it? Doe een keer het. What is that? Is that a room? Basement?
Huh? No, it's a closet.
Oh. What's the basement?
Basement's all the way downstairs next to the kitchen.
Let's go check it. Is that a that
You
basement?
sure?
Yeah.
That
Lead
place
us.
is dark.
Lead us. Is it? The lights don't turn on?
No, I don't think there's lights in there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Are you sure? I just said, what the kid, I said. What the, yeah? Oh, that's private. This is private. Yeah.
Should we even go down there or no?
Nah, that's private, bro. Close it. Nah, that's creepy as fuck. Who's gonna sleep in that one?
Harry.
Private. Wow. Na Wi-Fi, kayo nita. Na Wi-Fi. Oh yeah. Put it. Put it. Let's see how it's put it. Put it. Oh, put it. Oh, super. Fan. Hoe zit het? Nee. Ja, die papa's. Oh, super zit die van. The living room is big too, bro. The living room is big too. Oh, super zit die van. Ik heb er voor de snel wifi best wordt.
Let's go.
Era por aquí que snel wifi. Que vai aqui?
Pues,
So whose room is this?
Relax. Show that. Sound good? Hi. Hi boy. What are det? Gör det? Oh. Damn, bro. Those are big. Oh, you need the Wi-Fi. Thank you. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, your mate seen it. You got correct for sure. You have satu shirt. If I have Super shirt. Super shirt series.
Cosa? Makkara. Eto, sa Vietnam.
Thank you for staying and stuff.
Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. Bro, that looks scary. Come, look at this. The private. The stairs. Yeah. What, this one? Oh, it's the laundry. Oh, it's the back. Oh. Cut up. Hello. Thank you, sir. Oh, the overpass. Resume. Yeah, met private naar purse. Met private dit. This is shoe. It's broken. Yeah, put it on now. Come here, Rinsa. Okay, come here, Rinsa. Huh? Ja, wat op ze met pakken die aan me van. Het basement. Naar basement. Oh, what the hell? You did it. Ik denk dat paros naar de. Met dit. Ik was zo snap de geriat. Heel vaak. Aha, heel snap de. Roestep. En ze wano aan je roe. Hier. Mijn soepie. Met private is een paar soepie.
Let's start.
Let's start. I think they're fixing. Yeah, freeze up. Yeah. Weet je, zit toren. Nee, zit niet meer verder. Kit. Hier is. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Let's go. Ruka. Oh, Ruka. Masa kira mo yun eh. Nigang. Nigang mo yun.
Ah, sorry. Okay.